Making a pendulum wave is a fascinating experiment that demonstrates the principles of wave motion and harmonic motion. Here's how you can create one. 1. ***. Gather materials. ***. You will need a few simple materials. Several pendulum bobs or weights. Identical objects like small balls or weights work well. String or fishing line. A sturdy horizontal support structure, like a rod or a dowel. Tape or hooks to attach the strings to the support structure. Optional, paint or markers to color the pendulum bobs for visual effect too. ***. Prepare the pendulums ***. Attach strings of equal length to each pendulum bob. Make sure the strings are securely tied and that all the pendulums are of the same length. 3. ***. Set up the support structure. ***. Mount the horizontal support structure securely in a stable location. This can be done by clamping it to a table or attaching it to a stand. 4. ***. Attach the pendulums ***. Hang the pendulums from the support structure so that they are evenly spaced apart and at the same height. You can use tape or hooks to attach the strings to the support structure. 5. ***. Adjust the lengths ***. Ensure that all the pendulums have the same length of string. This is crucial for creating the desired wave pattern. 6. ***. Start the pendulums ***. Pull back one or two of the pendulum bobs and release them to set them in motion. Alternatively, you can start them simultaneously by gently pushing all of the bobs at the same time. 7. ***. Observe the wave pattern. ***. As the pendulums swing back and forth, you will observe a mesmerizing wave pattern emerge. The motion of each pendulum influences the motion of the others, creating a visually striking display of wave motion. 8. ***. Experiment with different patterns. ***. You can create different wave patterns by adjusting the lengths of the pendulum strings or by varying the initial starting positions of the pendulum bobs. 9. ***. Safety precautions. ***. Make sure the setup is stable and secure to prevent accidents. Also, be cautious when handling the pendulum bobs to avoid injury. By following these steps, you can easily create your own pendulum wave and explore the fascinating principles of wave motion and harmonic oscillation.